This is a very, I don't know if it's a controversial colour. I must say it's pretty nuts.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome here to another episode on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the automotive world of YouTube, covering some of your biggest car YouTubers that I would watch and you probably watch as well. So if you're new to the channel, thanks for clicking on the video. Hope you like this kind of stuff. I am in Ireland where I live. There's no supercars. This is why I do these kind of videos, but with your help, if you like this stuff, click on the subscribe button, guys. We're aiming for 2,000 subscribers. We're doing a giveaway. When we hit 2,000 subscribers, we're giving away this Lamborghini LED sign. It only costs you a click of the subscribe button, and that is it. Also, guys, we will be doing vlogs. We are planning to get a project car for the channel, but I need your help. I need you to like the videos, get involved, comment below. I will write back to you in the comments. And as we get bigger, more things will happen. I do have a few vlogs lined up. We are in lockdown here at the moment, so I can't really go anywhere to show you anything, but we will get there, and I do have other plans for the channel that are in the works at the moment. So in today's episode, we are going to be covering basically DD, the usual, TJ Hunt, and we're covering Matt Armstrong and a few others, so we will basically just jump straight into it, shall we? Off the bat, we're going to start with Matt Armstrong. Basically, Matt is a UK car channel. He does rebuilds himself. I really like his channel, and his latest video, he has wrapped his R8. Now, the story behind his R8 was, it was a track car. It was used for basically as a supercar for going around tracks. I think he got it pretty cheap, and he's been working on it to build it back up and get it back, back in good condition again. And there's a lot of work to go into this thing. So he has wrapped it. He's finally gotten around to wrapping it. This is a very, I don't know if it's a controversial color. I must say it's pretty nuts. But it's nuts but subtle at the same time. So here's a quick video of him revealing the colour of the wrapped Audi R8. Check it out.
Look at that.
There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below, would you wrap your car in that colour, and what are my thoughts on it? I mean, it's one of those colours where you kind of go, but if you get the right mods in it, it'll pop. I really like it. After I watched it a few times, the more I think what route he's going down, the more I can see how this colour stands out. It's one of those colours that's just so different. It's out there. You would never really see it on another car out on the road. I really hope he puts on a carbon lip kit to it. I think he's carbon fibering wrapping or something, the blades as well. He is obviously putting on new wheels. Hopefully, something to do with either a lip or, obviously a gloss black wheels as well. I think I've said it in the comments before in his videos, it looks like something like a colour you would see in Dubai. It's got that kind of like a desert, it's like a desert colour, I think. It's pretty cool though. I really do like it, and I can't wait to see him finish this project fully and see how it turns out. But I really hope he goes and gets a carbon fibre lip kit for the car. It would really set it off with a nice set of wheels, and that thing would look sweet. But I want to hear your thoughts and opinions below in the comments, so do get commenting below and I will write back to you. Next on the list, guys, is going to be DD, and they have come out with their latest video on their Aperta SP or Evo. There's so many names at this stage, I don't even know what to call it, but they have basically released their video on what colour they should wrap it. I basically have looked at it, and my two colours, I basically have came down to the neon yellow, which I really like. It'll probably come up here from their Instagram post. Or the other colour that they showed in the video was, it's like a Miami blue or kind of like a light blue. They're the two colours I would probably go for on it. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below, what colour should they wrap it as well. I can't wait to get the VF Engineering supercharger slapped onto the Evo as well. It's going to be quick as hell. But yeah, it's again, I've covered this in one of my other videos on my channel. Some DD fans were happy with the way, obviously, Savage Garage want to do an SP on their, I think, a Gallardo or something like that. It looks like a lot of channels either had this idea in the works, or it's something they've been planning a while, and it looks like a lot of channels might be going down this route. You know, you wonder would Goonzsquad do it, or Tavarish or something like that as well. But look, I really like DD's one. It's so, like, especially with the forged carbon going through on the arches as well, on the wings. But whichever colour they pick, it's going to look pretty sweet, and it'll just be interesting to see how quick this thing is with helmets on as well. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you even think of the build, and what colour you go for that SP. Next on the list is going to be, let's see, TJ Hunt. So TJ Hunt, his latest video was he did a collab with Emelia Hartford on his twin turbo C8. The whole idea of this was to obviously have a race with her and see who was quicker, but they ran into some issues. Basically, his C8, it was going into limp mode. It looks like oil was coming out of turbo or something. It's coming out from somewhere, getting one of the sensors dirty or covered in oil, and when he tried to go for boost, it would just go straight into limp mode, which was pretty annoying. It looks like they were at it. They were there all day, and then at the end, after all that, I don't know who was in the car with him, but he did something. He cleaned something like the map sensor or something like that. I'm not sure what he cleaned. He did something anyway. They went to do a race. I don't think TJ was expecting the boost to kick in. It actually did kick in, and in fairness to him, he did nearly keep up with Emelia's C8. So here's a quick clip of him, just the race in general. So what do you think, guys? I'm pretty intrigued to see how this comes out, because he's got to go up to Emelia in LA and kind of basically button up the car, get everything running at 100%, and then he's probably going to race her and see how it comes out. Just by that video there, and whatever they did, I'm glad it actually started boosting, and in fairness, he was kind of keeping up with Emelia in her C8 as well. It sounds unbelievable. It's just going to be such an interesting race when everything is dialed in. I can't really see, you know, I really want to see the brake horsepower figures coming out of this thing when it's fully done. But I want to hear from you guys below. Would you twin turbo C8? What you think of his TJ's build? Who do you think would win the race, Emelia's C8 or TJ Hunt's? It'd be a very, very close call. I don't know if I could put a bet on which one would come out of that. She does have nitros in her car, so you know, it's Emelia, and it does look like her car is pretty quick and she's dialed it pretty in. So, but comment below and let me know, guys. Next on the list is going to be Paradox the Rappers. Now, Paradox the Rappers, his channel is getting bigger and bigger. He wraps cars, obviously, and he has an I think it's an S14, a 240SX, and basically he has gotten a drift kit for it, and he's finally wrapped the car. I really like this car in the way it's kind of turned out, and the colour on it is amazing. I'm a sucker for purples or bright kind of pearly colours, chrome. That is the kind of colours I like. It came out pretty sweet. So I'm just going to show you the reveal video he came out and just give you my thoughts on it after this clip. So yeah, guys, I really love the colour. He's not too gone on it. He thinks it's too bright for the S14. I can see what he's saying, but I really love the gold pearl going through it. And the wheels do suit it down to the ground. I think he's going to go a darker colour. I mean, if he went for like a sparkly midnight purple kind of colour, it'd be pretty nice, but he better go away and get those. I hope he swaps out the headlights. I really hope if he puts black headlights into that car, new ones, it'll transform the whole front end. It'll look way better, and I'd like to see him get the wheels actually refurbished, or get the lip at least you know, scrubbed up and looking well. But I love the colour on it. It is a colour I would definitely consider to wrap one of my cars if I ever had a modified car to do. But whenever we do get a project car for the channel, I already have a colour in mind that what I want to wrap the project car in. But yeah, he does some really good work. I really like his channel and the different colours that people pick. And he's killing it. And so let me know in the comments below, guys. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. Would you wrap your car in this colour? And you know, what I think of it, and what colour should he have gone if you had a choice in it. So next on the list, I think the last person on our list is going to be Washness Media. Washness Media, I love these guys because they do such great cinematography on the cars that they actually do. In this case, it was a murdered blacked out 4-door or S7, and all I can say is hopefully someday I would love to be able to have these guys do a few clips if ever I was big enough to have it done by them. But this came out amazing. Just the way the thought process put in and the way he shoots it is just absolutely sick. So here's a quick clip for you guys on the R7 of basically Washness Media doing their thing. And there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I love R7s. I like the coupes. I'm not a big 4-door fan. I do like the murdered out look. It looks pretty cool, but you know, the way they shoot it, the way they do it, it makes the car 100 times look better. It's so stealthy looking. It sounds amazing. I really like it. Just you can never get sick. It's just for me personally. I just love seeing 4K shot footage by these kind of people. It just makes cars look way better in general, and the way cars should be shot. So Washness Media kill it always. I really love their channel. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of it as well. It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts. So that is everything for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you will check out my other videos, and even better, if you'd like the video, comment below and hit the subscribe button. And anybody who's subscribed so far, honest to God, guys, it's for being such a small channel. I really, it basically motivates me to keep going and post to you every day if I can. So thank you very much if you've subscribed, and just give the channel a chance. So until the next episode, guys, thanks very much. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.